Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video we will be learning how to sign up for Kraken. If you want to create a new account and get started with Kraken cryptocurrency exchange, first of all, launch open your Google Play Store or your App Store and download the Kraken application. Once you do that, launch the app open and you will end up in this homepage. To create a new account or sign up, tap the Create Account button on the bottom right. On the next page, type down a valid email address you have access to. After typing down the email, click on Continue. On the next page, create a unique password for your account and click on Continue once again. Select your country of residence from the drop-down and click Continue, which will then take you to a new page where you need to confirm your email. Type down the code that you received via email. Open up the email that you received from Kraken and you will see the activation code. Copy the code and get back to the Kraken app and paste in the code. Now, once you do that, you will be able to activate your new account. The next thing you want to do is to verify your identity. Verifying your identity means you will need to submit a photo ID, follow through the identity verification step, type down your phone number, enter your first legal name and the last legal name, enter your date of birth on the next page that matches your photo ID, and click on Continue. Select your residential addresses in the respective text boxes. Confirm your identity by entering and uploading your documents. Upload your ID type on the next page, follow through the on-screen instructions, and once you are done with the verification, you can then go ahead and add funds and start trading on your application. You will then be signed up and ready to explore the Kraken crypto platform. Whether you are buying Bitcoin or trading altcoins, Kraken gives you a secure and professional platform to do it all. So that's how you easily sign up for a new account on Kraken. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.